Hello everyone, welcome to DecentralizedX, where we'll talk about crypto airdrops. We also talk about forex trading. We also talk about the crypto trading too. But we also test out platforms on how to make money online, into the online space, and also dish out to people so that people can actually leverage on the internet space. All right, and so they can be able to grow their wealth. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about a particular project which has been ongoing. I would say it's something that you and I know, but not so many people knows about this project. All right, now it's something similar to the PI network. All right, now in this section of video we'll be talking about the Cpen network. All right, now before I get into the Cpen network, I want to ask the question is, my question is to you is, how many Cpen do you have? How many Cpen coins do you have? Do you have 1,000 Cpen coins? Do you have 10,000 Cpen coins? I know many people who have gotten way beyond just the number of coins I've been talking about. All right, so in the leaderboard, on the top leaderboard, which you can see on the screen, all right, you can see that the top user is having about 1.7 million Cpen coins or tokens or whatever it is I could call. But then compared to the one that I have, I'm not anywhere close to that. I think this guy has really farmed all I think this guy has literally, whoever he is, has literally farmed all our tokens. But in their Cpen update, they said that not many people have actually passed their KYC. All right, so out of 1.7 million users on the Cpen network, we are having about 30% of users who have actually mined who have actually passed the KYC. All right, so well, if you haven't actually done your KYC, I would suggest you quickly do that and you know, do the KYC. The KYC is not that very hard to do, as long as you are able to complete a 5-daily streak and click on the app, and then you will going to see where it says continue to do your KYC. And when you get to the KYC, it's going to ask for just your facial verification. It doesn't matter if you're ugly or it doesn't matter if you're beautiful. Just get onto it, complete a 5-daily streak. And once you complete a 5-daily streak, then you go ahead to do your KYC, then you pass. And what is the Cpen network? The Cpen network is a digital cryptocurrency app and an online platform that allows users to actually buy and sell and enabling them to actually grow their Cpen holdings. All right, and what does the Cpen network do? The Cpen network connects the blockchain technology and the real world application, where it also provides sustainability and easy access for users like you and I to actually farm the Cpen coins. All right, and holding the coins, where we're going to get reward for the coins that we have been accumulating for so many many times. So Cpen network has been the project has been ongoing for like a year plus, or over a year now. We've been buying the Cpen, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and I would suggest that you get into the Cpen network and start farming the Cpen network. If you miss the PI network, unlike me who was farming the PI, I lost my wallet on the PI. I had about 5,000 PI coins, and I lost the wallet. Well, I can't cry. We remain, you know, we just dust it out our sleeve and we just keep moving. All right, so I'll suggest you get onto the Cpen network. The Cpen network is more like that of the PI, and Cpen network, I think they're also trying to do the blockchain, and 30% of users has passed the KYC, and I'm bullish on the Cpen network because it's going to cook. All right, it's going to cook because not many people, I'm not sure that many people are aware of the Cpen network that is ongoing. I'm not sure. For us to have about 1.7 million users, nah. But as I'm preaching out this message to you, I'm telling you to get into the Cpen. If you have not registered into the Cpen network, I'll suggest you click on the link below and get yourself access into the Cpen network. Once you click on the link below, all right, you're going to it will take you to the Google Play Store. This feature is actually available for the Android and the desktop version, and also the Apple. Those Android Apple, yeah, you'll find it there. All right, and once you download the app, Once you download the app, then you sign up. Is that easy? Wait, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to sign up on the Cpen Network. But if I may not post it, you'll find it on my previous video on how to sign up and also connect your BSC wallet address. All right, either the OKX or the Trust Wallet or the MetaMask. In my own case, I use the Trust Wallet. Now, in the Cpen Network, if you're gonna ask about my assumptions on the Cpen Network's pre-market price, well, if I'm gonna assume the it's just based on assumption. All right, my assumption on the Cpen Network, I'm giving it, seriously, on a very low key, I'm giving it 0.05. I don't know, 0.05. all right, 0.05. If they are not going to do any kind of conversion, it's going to be 0.05. I'm not expecting anything much on the Cpen Network. I'm looking at 0.05 upward to $1. But in some coin market caps and in some other predictions are stating that one pen is equals to $3. Some are saying $4, but I'm keeping my expectation very low, so I'm looking at 0.05 or 0.5 upward to $1. At most, the highest is going to list is just $1. But and Cpen is, I'm so bullish on the Cpen. I just feel you should get onto the Cpen Network and start farming the Cpen Network. But one major thing is, I wouldn't, if you know that your referrals are not going to do their KYC, I see there's no any point in actually referring anyone. All right, because doing that could actually damage your rewards. All right, because looking at our previous videos, looking at our previous project, which is the Dr. X, while we are mining the Dr. X, and so many people, though the project seems promising but didn't actually list well at the end of the day. Good allocation but poor listing, and that was very terrible. All right, but we just keep moving because one day we'll never can tell that one of them is going to cook. But for the Cpen Network, because I'm just always been talking about the Cpen Network because I'm just bullish on the Cpen Network. Cpen Network is going to actually cook for everyone who is farming the Cpen Network. All right, so if you like this video, please I suggest you like, subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this type of videos I'm doing. Subscribe, like my comments, and like and comment if you wish. And yeah, any question you want to ask regarding the Cpen Network, I'll gladly respond and help out through. We hope that the Cpen Network do well. Thank you very much. All right.